Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on ZTE Blade A73. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so restart the Bluetooth connection, just switch it off and switch it on again. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated fire mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings, go to the system and update, and choose reset options. Tap on the reset network settings, tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to upgrade your system, so let's open the settings again. Then go to the system update and choose system update. Now if you have an update, just install it and check for your device again. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.